Bakit ka nag-charge ng ano? Bakit ka nag-charge? Ha?
Naglubat.
Ay, naglubat na.
Oh.
Asa day ka adto di ay?
Magkanto ka dyan. Lubat ako.
Sige, hayaan mo muna eh. I-charge mo muna. Okay na yan. Tanggalin mo na.
Hindi. Wala pa man ito nag-charge. Oh.
Oh, sige.
Nag-charge na. Oh.
Sige, tama na yan. Tara na. Labas tayo.
Oh, come back later. Wait a minute.
Hugaw lagi ka. Wow! Wow!
Come on, guys. I found my picture. Let's go.
Wow!
Don't step on this. You don't step on it.
Let me see.
You too, don't step on it.
Ganda yan, nak. Wow!
You don't
Happy
step on it. Oh, you
Mother's
go, you go,
Day,
you go now.
Mommy and Lola. Mommy Sinsin, Mommy Wiwi, Mommy Lola. Ay, be nice, be nice. Don't fight, don't fight. Sorry, say sorry. Sorry. Sorry na. Hello. May? Saan si na Megang? Tanggalin na yung mga gamit dyan. Anong natin? Anong ulam natin for dinner? Tanggalin na to dito, oh. Lo. Butas. Butas. Ay, salamat. Ang healthy ng oregano para sa ubo. Grabe ang healthy. Ang ganda niya.
Hindi mag-watch ng TV.
Sana si Maymay.
Hindi mag-watch TV. Saan naman yung nag-yung balance naman yung isa?
Kasi wala nang hindi niya nakuha yung isang tsinelas niya.
Oo na, may chinilas.
Tuyo na.
I love mango blood!
Saan?
Dito!
Saan ka pala galing?
Bantay ka! Ang bantay si Tito Baday, hala, bantay lang ka, hala. Hala, bantay lang ko.
Saan di ka galing, ganak?
Yan, sa libo ni Tito Baday. Nagdagdag ko, hooray! Bantay lang ka, Tito
Sus, kay-
Baday, hala.
Sus, kaya gaan.
More
More grapes?
Hey, come on! Oh, what? I think that's something cool. What happened? My river. Strawberries!
Ay, nako. Slippers mo mayami.
Strawberry, guys!
Gusto mo magsige shout? Hindi pa yan ready.
Come on. We're just gonna we're just here to
Kasi
try it.
yun ako, you get your
We're
own.
just here to try it.
Ayan na, Mayumi. Mayumi here.
Oh, man, oh. Oh, Asha. Asha! Bye-bye. Asha! Asha, here. Wait, come this more. Come. Is that edible?
Yes, it's edible. It's cherry.
Hey, Usana.
Headband. Headband na siya.
Sino na?
Kay Mayumi.
Oh.
Kinsa?
It's right. Yummy! Yummy! Dinosaur! How can I be a dinosaur?
Say bye, please.
Let's go!
Bye, please.
Yeah!
Oh. Ba't walang tsinelas to?
Let's play zombies.
Ba't wala ka tsinelas?
Why?
Bunny, ba't walang tsinelas? Hindi na nabasa dito. Ang tuyo, oh. Ban, kunin mo yung palagang BKO. Iano natin ulit to, oh. Itapon natin ulit dun sa gilid para malinis. Yan, tama na yan. Ano ulam natin? Ay ba? Yun ang... Up! Chico, get inside.
We have a dinosaur player.
Get inside.
Dino player. The big dinosaur. Will be me.
Saan si Mayumi?
Okay, that will be me. That will be me.
Huwag yan kayo masira. Bantuhin mo nga ito ba
Bye,
masira?
go!
Nandiyan yung battery niya. Chico, can you calm down? Can you calm down?
You said to me you ordered.
Chico? Chico? Wala to, ano sa danyo kayo na to how? May spaghetti pa, wala na. Sinagpalabas ka na. Go, sabaw tsaka adobong paanong manok. No? Sabaw na isda na simple lang pero masarap. Huwag mo lutuin na frozen. Alam mo nang gagawin, no? Oo, syempre. Lahat.
Nanay Kwan. Construction worker.
Balulagi siya sa kasi
Bye-bye, Liana. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Marami construction worker.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day kay mami niya. Bye-bye, Yana. Bye-bye po.
Be nice na.
Almost. Bakit?
Me and Della want to play cards with the flashlights.
Saan ang flashlight niyo?
Okay, no, let's just start. I'm getting. I feel a little bad for you because you're card too.
Kita niyo ugali ni Chico, guys. Lately, parang ginagaya niya sa mga action movie. So, kaya hindi ka natin ng action movie, pero mahilig kasi siya mag-roleplay. Mga superhero. Mahilig siya mag-roleplay, roleplay. Pag nakita siya superhero ng mga ganun, sinusunod niya.
Who's ready?
Dalawang bike ang wala dito, dalawa. Go na, green tsaka blue. Green. Sino nagamit ng green bike? Kalbi, go get it, please. Kalbi,
Okay.
go get. Kalbi, please.
Stop the game. Stop the game.
Stop. Ang mga ganitong oras ng hapon, guys, ang sarap magsunog, no? Kasi Gang, magsunog tayo dyan, Gang, para mga lamok. Si Mayumi din, no?
Nasa basketball.
Masakit siguro yan sa matate. Buti na lang ngayon may mga kalaro na yung mga bata. Dati sobrang lungkot dito, walang kalaro.
Mayum-yum. Give it back! That's mine!
Hoy, wag mag-fight, wag mag-fight.
Wait lang. Mag-make tayo ng pool. Mag-make tayo ng...
May tricycle na. Oh, thank you, Mayumi ko.
Dalawang tao.
Kaya nga, ang daming tao sa babae, no?
Yo, get your slippers.
So many I can't say.
Okay, tell me one first.
Okay. I wish I was in Dandy's world.
You know, that's impossible.
But how many days will my wish come true still?
Hindi ko alam. Wishes, not all wishes do come true, especially when your wish is to become a cartoon character.
Hmm.
What else? What's the next wish? Wishes like, I wish we could go to the beach. That one we can do, but you being a cartoon character, it's not gonna happen.
Hmm.
Maybe you can imagine.
Oh my God, it's real.
So, ano pang wish mo?
I wish I could become a cartoon character too.
Dili gani pwede.
Why? Will we just become a cartoon character until we die?
You're a human.
Then we'll become a cartoon character when we die. Yes.
Ligo ka na kay mag-ano na tayo. Ligo ka na kay mag-watch tayo mo. Ay, Hoy!
Mom, can we have popcorn when we watch our movie?
I'll think about it.
I know where the popcorn is now. Little Bunny's bad at hiding it. Whoa! I'm scared. I can put the marker.
No. Sige, the night time na ba ya?
I don't care because they have flashlight. But Mom, what if my nails big?
Ha?
Is my wish come true if my nails become big?
No.
Oh.
It's never gonna come true, my love. Change your wish.
Because something was forcing me to wish it and I did.
Ah. No, I'm telling you as your mother what is right or wrong. Listen ka.
What? I didn't do anything.
A few moments.
Thank you po. Mother's Day pala. Sit down. Ay. This is the best gift ever. Oh. Upo muna.
It's Mother's Day. I'll buy a necklace for you.
For me. Ikaw na.
Mommy, what's that?
Kain na tayo. Sige na.
Mommy's birthday.
It's not my birthday, it's Mother's Day.
No, it's your birthday. Diba? Then why they cake? Why they cake? Because it's your birthday.
It's Mother's Day, Nani.
Yeah. Balloons. Because it's Lola's birthday and she's not here yet. Her birthday is done. It was that day ago. No, it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. and
Thank
Lola.
you. Kain na.
Oh, yeah. Happy birthday, Mommy and Lola. Happy birthday, Mommy and Lola. Hooray, this cake. Woo-hoo.
Mommy and Lola birthday. Mother's Day, Ngani.
Yeah, this was my Beffin birthday. Mommy, so you stole the cookies from the Beffin? Whoa, we got it from the baby.
Water. Ayan ang water mo, Hello Kitty.
Yeah. You got
Ayan
it
ang
from
water
the
mo, Hello
baby?
Kitty, oh.
No. Oh, yeah. No, it's in real life. They have I went to Bella's and then she was playing that. Come back.
Ayan gani, water mo, Hello Kitty, gani.
Picked it up. There was cookies on the floor that
Kalbi, kain na tayo. Sige na.
yeah, that's for Bebe Finista. And Bella stole the cookies from Bebe Fin. Mommy, why are we using Bebe Fin's cookies?
Saan yan?
Yeah, it looks like Bebe.
Sino nagsabi kay Bebe Pin yan?
He said it's a copy from Bebe Fin. Yeah, it looks like Bebe Fin because the cookies are up. It's the same as Bebe Fin.
Wow, the best soup in the world.
For me. Best birthday ever. Woo!
Hindi, gani, birthday, Mother's Day, ngani. Is it movie night tonight? Kamusta ang Tagalog nyo? Wag. Dito lang, sige, mag-Tagalog ka.
Hindi ko marunong.
Hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog.
Marunong ko, but hindi ko marunong. Buenas. Ko ng Tagalog. Kami
Fish sa'yo?
Good morning, Ma'am Princess. Mayong gabi. I love you.
I love you din. Oh.
That's my Tagalog. Dapat chocolate.
Ito sa'yo.
That's for you. We have two. Maayong gabi.
You don't want?
Mama!
One.
Tagalog lang tayo.
Anong ulam mo? Anong pagkain mo, Calvi? Kanin?
Kanin at isda.
Tama. Masarap hindi?
Masarap.
Sino nagluto?
Bunny? What the fish?
Ha? Fish? Fish yan, oh.
Mom, water, please. Fix it.
Tubig sa'yo. Tubig, guys. Baso. Baso, please.
Mommy, water.
Water. Oh, hello, Kitty. How are you? Calvi, ano nangyari ngayon? Saan ka nagpunta?
Padala.
Tapos, anong gigawa niyo na Bella? Naglaro kayo?
The bird, the piggy. Lover, Calvi has one. I want.
Si Bella, nag-Mother's Day na. Nagsabi na siya Mother's Day.
Mommy.
Anong gigawa niyo para kay Mami? Sino nagtulong sa inyo magawa ng love letter?
Bunny.
Mamaya pagdating ni Lola, sabihan niyo din na Mother's Day, ha? Ha?
Mom, how do we put this thing?
Hindi ako gang mga bata.
Ma'am.
Naghingi.
What the cake's like?
Sarap ng sabaw, May. Salamat.
Cake's like. Mom, how do we put this on?
Share lang tayo. Tubig. Okay na yan. Wag ganyan, wag ganyan. Akin na.
I wanna put it here.
Anong panoorin na movie
I
tonight?
do like this one. I don't know.
Akin na. Huwag kayo masira, anak.
I wanna try. I have no.
Ito, oh, kay Mama, oh. Ano para sabihin mo?
Okay, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mother's Day, everyone. Happy Mother's Day, everybody.
Salamat po.
Good
Mayroon
morning,
din ang Mother's
Mommy.
Day na.
Afternoon. I love you. Bye-bye.
I love you din.
Mwah.
Si Mayumi nag-Mother's Day na.
Mimi. Say Happy Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day, Mimi. Say Happy Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Mimi, say Happy Mother's Day. Come
Okay
here.
lang. Turuan ko pa siya.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Okay lang. Mama na lang.
He doesn't want to say it.
Kain ka fish? Wow! Bo? Okay. Sit down ka. Ulam namin tonight, sabaw na isda and malunggay. Masarap ang
Mommy, I wish
malunggay.
we could go skating.
Skating.
Like this.
Sauce.
Then next Christmas, can we do that?
I don't know, maybe,
Like
inshallah.
Carla did it, Pia.
Hindi ka muna dito ba?
Like remember, good mommy, when Ronaldo they were screaming there. What's the score? We're gonna great.
Wala, Jud ko, nasabtan na.
What?
Ang ulam namin guys, sabaw na isda na may malunggay.
I
Lagi ko
remember
na-share
this
sa
from
inyo
the
na
format.
ang mga bata talagang malakas kumain pag sabaw.
What's that?
Kaya dapat hindi nawawalan ng isda
What?
sa ref.
Maxim
May isda pa ba
Remay.
tayo guys?
Maxim Remay?
Kahit si Mayumi malakas kumain ng isda eh. Oh. Si Chico mas malakas kumain pag ganito.
Maxim.
Matagal
Where
siya
did the
tapos
Maxim
kumain kasi
Remay?
naglalaro. Grabe yung imagination niya. Saan ka? Wow, dagdag ka pa rice, Calvi. Gusto mo pa?
No, I'm okay. Say Happy Mother's Day. Eme. Say Happy Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Was
Say
pa
Happy
ako.
Mother's Day.
Ubusin mo yung
Say Happy Mother's
Tapos magugas ka
Day.
ng kamay mo. Inom ka ng tubig mo. Ay, wag yan. Akin na.
Ito na lang. Leave this to Mimi.
Quiet kayo, she's singing ba? 1, 2, 3, go!
Sorry. I'm sorry. sorry. The magic word for you and me. Sorry, sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah, maybe greet all. Can you greet all the mommies in the world? There are here greetings from Chico and Paolo here.
Good morning, mommy. Good morning,
Everyone, all the mommies, say hi.
Good
all
morning, everybody.
Mommies.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Good. We wish you.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone. I miss you. I love you. And I want you to come here. And I like you if you come.
Don't shout at them. Kayo ako microphone. Just talk nicely, guys. Ano pa ang wish mo for Mother's
No.
Day?
I wish to give you present. Present for me and Calvin and Lola and you.
Show your gift. Sana yung gift mo. Sana yung malaki mo na letter.
Oh, you want to give me that day?
Ayun, ikaw si Kalilali.
I love you, Mommy.
Happy Mommy.
I love you, Mommy. Asa ang letter ni Mommy? Asa ako ang small letter? Uni. Mommy. Kuno.
Sing ka ng song. Sing.
Mommy.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Slice.
Mommy, put it on top there. Oh.
Ban. Ban.
Mommy, put it up there. Put it up there. Good morning, dito ka mag-put. Oh, dyan oh. Dyan ka mag-gani.
Say bye-bye ka na.
Gabani.
Sugo ko niya. Dirin ako mag-pot.
Mag-put ka dyan oh. Wala glue. Mag-put ka glue. Hey.
Chico, sit down. Okay, that's enough. Eat na tayo. Dali na.
No, then over.
Alright guys, this ends our Mother's Day special. Sana ay okay kayong lahat ngayong Mother's Day. And like I said, Mother's Day doesn't have to be,
Happy
pag-appreciate
Mother's
sa
Day,
nanay. Hindi lang
Lola.
dapat ngayong Mother's Day
Say
ha.
Happy Mother's Day,
Anytime,
Lola.
pwede.
Say Happy Mother's Day. Lola! Say Happy Mother's Day, Lola! Say Happy Mother's Day. Happy say.
And meron tayong cake.
Say Happy Mother's Day!
Make it strong.
Say Happy Mother's
Chico,
Day.
you are shouting.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Akin na yan. Wow.
Come on. Say Happy Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day. Yeah.
Gumawa kasi sila ng ano guys, ng parang letter. Ayan o. Happy Mother's Day. Tapos na siya kumain. May pagkain pa siya na iwan. Good job, Calby. May nagbigay sa atin ng cake. Big shout out. Yun ang inasabi ko guys, maganda. May kapitbahay guys, no? Kaya nabigyan tayo libreng cake, may spaghetti pa, may cookies pa. Salamat sa donors and everything. Thank you.
We will have the best cookies.
You are shouting and I don't like it.
Thank you, Bella.
Thank you.
Medicine yan. You want to medicine? Ha?
Medicine?
You want medicine?
Dapat you give them something too.
Gani, nag-sorry gani ako kay wala ako gigive. Nag-sorry ako.
You should try tomorrow. You can buy them a present.
Mm-mm. Sige.
Try ko, best mom ever.
Best mo.
Best mom ever.
Hindi, kulang man. Best mo.
Ariyo,
Happy mo.
happy mo.
Happy mo. Happy Mother's Day, Bunny.
Who ate one slice of pepper?
Ikaw ng mama.
Who ate one slice of cake?
Sit down.
Mommy J.
Cake sa'yo, Ban.
I want that too. This is me. Yes, it's mine. When I say apple, then you see. When I say apple, then you see apple.
Okay na. Shh. Sit down, sit down. Water mo. Ngayon, mag-movie time sila, guys. Movie time is a big part of holiday. And a big part, bakit hindi ako nababaliw. So, Netflix is gonna be a part of us tonight. Tara! Hawak pa ni Chico picture ni Mama. Oh. Mama!
Mommy, we're gonna sleep there, Mommy.
Sige. Calbi, what did you say, nak? Calbi!
Use that to use the knife together.
Anong sabi mo, Calbi?
Thank you for the food. It was yummy.
You're welcome. Akin na lang yung fish mo kay Sayang.
Pachuchi.
Ano yan? Kasi ganun. Guys, time check natin. Mag-alas 8 na. Yes.
Oh, Daddy.
Hayaan mo si Calbi dyan.
Daddy's cold.
Hayaan mo na.
Daddy.
Mag-alas 8 na. Ang bilis ng mga araw. Guys, no, parang kailan lang. Ngayon, parang... No. Huwag ka mag-go up. Ano na, 10 araw na nakakaraan ng buwan ng Mayo. But anyway, it has been really busy. And so far, so good naman lahat ng aspeto ng buhay natin. Okay? We're having a very peaceful and calm relationship so far sa mga taong involved sa buhay namin ng mga anak ko. And Mr. Yiga so far is also trying to be nice. Dapat lang kasi para mabiyayaan siya ni Santa Claus sa Pasko. Hindi siya makancel. Nagko-message siya sa akin recently na ma-delay daw yung sustento ng mga bata kay magbenta pa daw siya ng ari-arian niya. Yes, ibenta mo yung pagmamay-ari mo. Wag yung hindi yung ari-arian guys ha, kayo talaga. Ibenta niya yung kanyang ari-arian kasi meron siyang farm, and then sa farm meron siyang mga hayop. So sabi niya medyo naapeke sa budget, kailangan niya magbenta ng hayop this month. Dapat lang gawin mo 'yan. Hindi kita pipigilan kasi yung sustento ng mga bata dapat ma-realize mo, rain or shine kailangan tuloy 'yan, 'di ba? Regardless kung anong amount. Regardless kung magkano, kasi syempre dapat maintindihan niya, no, ma-internalize niya na may role din siya. Hindi pwedeng ako lang lahat. Pwede naman. Wala naman akong choice. Wala naman ako magagawa. Huwag.
Hello, Mommy. I'll go up. Hello.
Hello.
I'll go up, Ma.
Okay, wag mag-shout.
Ay, abin ako sa toilet.
Keep on shouting. You are shouting.
No.
Huh? Show me your face, be. Shh. The mommy on the bus say. Keep quiet. The mommy on the bus say. Shh. Keep quiet. Lately, laging hinahanap ni Mr. Higa si Mayumi, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan, guys. Pero okay, fine. Wala naman problema kay there's no harm naman na hanapin niya si Mayumi. Pero hindi ko din siya ginabigyan ng access na todo-todo. Picture lang. One picture at a time. Ganun lang, guys. Hindi niya kilala pa din yung mga bata. Hindi niya kilala si Mayumi. Talagang kilala niya. Yung alam niya. Yung hanapin siya. No? Come, give me a hug. Ganito kaingay yung bahay namin, guys. Wala akong pakialam na sabihin na ibang tao nag-comment. Mga anak mo ang gugulo. Pues, ano sa'yo? Buti na lang hindi ka may-ari ng bahay ko. Buti na lang hindi ka namin kasama dito sa bahay, dahil. Salamat ka. Maswerte ka pa din. Kung ayaw mo sa ganitong klaseng setup, ayaw mo sa ingay ng mga anak ko, ayaw din namin sa'yo. Na may feelings mutual. Kiss ako ba? Sad na ako. Sad na si Mama. Mama sad. Guys, oh.
I'll go up.
Alright, anyway, parang wala na siya sa mood. Wala na rin tayong guys, energy. I'm going to rest early tonight. May movie time yung mga bata. Bukas, kailangan ko ipaayos yung toilet ko, guys. Kay barado talaga siya. Tapos, chaching na naman tayo nito bukas, ha? Hanap muna kami pera, be. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love, Princess Giga.